Google Docs is a word processing software run by Google. So there are a few ways that you can create or open a document. The first way to create a document is to click on the New button and then come on down to Google Docs and just click on Google Docs and a new one will be created. The other way is to just double click on an already created Google Doc that's in your Google Drive. So this video is going to cover some of the editing tools and how to access them using the toolbar. There are actually two ways to access a lot of the tools. One is by the menu and the other is by the toolbar. So our first tool that we have available is undo. So if we're here and we accidentally make a mistake, like I wanted to answer the question but not make the question disappear, we can come here, just click the undo bar, and all is well. The redo button works kind of in the same way, except if we realize that we didn't make a mistake and we wanted to get rid of what we had, we can just hit the redo button and it'll take care of it. This is our print button. At RCS, student Chromebooks cannot print. This is our spelling and grammar check. So we can turn on spelling and grammar and have the computer help us check the document. This one is paint format. And this is really cool because basically what this one does is it takes the formatting that's on the paper and allows you to apply it to other sections. So if you have a special font you use or something like that, you could type and then just copy the format and use it on down the road. This is our zoom button. So this changes the view that we can use to see a document. Okay. Next is our styles button. This kind of is mostly useful in our table of contents. Under normal circumstances, I kind of just keep it at normal text. The next button is our font button. So if we wanted to change the font of an item, we could highlight it, change the font, and we could also then change the size. This is our bold, our italics, our underline, and this is our color. So that's going to change the color. This button right here is our highlight button. So that's going to highlight around the word that we pick. If we come down here, this is our insert a link button. So we can come down here, we can highlight the words that we want to use to name our link. We can click the link button and then we can type our link into the bar and apply it. And then when we click on it, it will take us to the web page that we want to link to. This is our add a comment button. So you would probably use this to reply to a comment that your teacher put on your paper, or if you were helping peer edit a paper, you would highlight the word, you would click add comment, and you could say, does this word need to be in bold? And then the owner of the document would see it and they can either fix it or leave it. This is our insert an image button. That's kind of cool. So we insert an image, we can upload it from our computer, we can search the web, we can add if we have an image in our drive or from our photos, but searching the web is kind of easy. So we're going to come over here. I'm going to type in the words ancient Greece. I'm going to click on the photo that I want. I'm going to click on insert, and then you will see that it takes care of popping all of our words or popping our image right in there. These next few buttons are our justification buttons. And what that means is it changes the justification or the way that the words are on the page. Are they all the way to the right? Are they centered? Are they all the way to the left? This is our bullets button. So if we want to add bullets to our document, we can do that. If we want to add numbers, we can do that. If we want to indent, we use this button with a little increase indent. If we want to take away an indent, we use the decrease indent. This button here is our line spacing, so we can change the spacing of the lines. And this button here clears all of the formatting that is on the page. So that's just a really quick look at the toolbar to help you see what tools are available to you, and hope that helps.